it's important for our clients to handle authorization on their own. Each company has its own rules. This is a common problem. It's not possible. I will have to write this from ground zero, we should find a tool to help us. So we found a few, and most of them have their own language. So there is a learning curve there. Do I really want to learn this language so focused on this one tool? Cerbos, by using JSON or YAML, helped me in both ways. One, we already know how to handle these data structures. So it's fairly simple. And two, it's easier for me to abstract the Cerbos layer and handle it over to my client. Build whatever you want. I can define which resources I will expose, with which conditions I can let you build. And so my client has building blocks. So each company can build its own rules on our platform. Companies, as of today, about this whole year, we see that companies that use the policy systems tend to expand about the double in the credit card when compared to those who don't use such controls. So I think that is an excellent metric for us. The client it gets more confident that the money will not be misused